Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the shells are for that you collect from the ocean cleanup hobby in Heartopia. So you are able to use that to craft some stuff, some items, like the curtains, these seashell display bead curtain, and then we have the clock. Like, I don't think you need it for that. It's just the items that you get from unlocking the collection items from the ocean cleanup hobby. So if you go here, you'll get it from these like rewards. So you will also get the display frame, the coral kitty shell display stand, and the coral shell display dome. I think you're also able to customize it. Oh, let me just get this. Hold on. Okay. I'm just going to craft the curtain as well as the display clock. So we have this. Why is my dog in the way? Okay, we have this. And then we also have the clock, which is here. I'm just going to craft that as well. I'm not sure about the clock, if I can like change the, like customize it. I don't think so, but let's try the curtain first. Gonna place it on this wall over here randomly, just for now. And then you can actually like add the shells that you've collected from the ocean cleanup hobby here, which is very cool in my opinion. Like that. I'm not sure if the clock does that. I don't think it does, but I think some of the items are like customizable. Is that even a word? I'm not sure. Yeah, you can't on the, oh, wait, actually. Oh my gosh, you can. That is so sick. Wow. I love how everything is like customizable. Still don't know if that's a word or not. I don't care. This is pretty cool. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.